I'd like to say thanks for choosing to watch my videos. If you haven't, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and all that other good stuff. Okay, it's the next day. I got back home. Yeah, we're gonna look at the S10 a little bit better. See how horrible it is. Really, the body on it ain't that bad. It's fairly clean, not really any rust except for the cab corners, which is pretty common on these things anyways. Even the other one I have that I wrecked, I had to fix the cab corners on it. There's a dent in the box there. At least it's not rotted around the wheel wells. Tires on it are pretty much junk. Topper deals are gone. That ain't no big deal. What else? I guess there is a strip missing on this side. I might rip these off anyways. Those ones are falling off. So. They say tires are junk. No rust on the box on this side. This cab corner is the worst one. It's pretty crusty in there. I'll have to fix that. See that strip's missing. Got these weird running board thingies on it, which I don't even know why you would need them no higher than S10 sits off the ground, so that stuff's gonna have to go. It looks pretty good underneath. Not really any rust under there, besides your normal surface rust on the frame. That fender looks good. See, the worst part on the front is the bumper's tweaked. You can see down over there. I don't know what was going on here. I think that guy did it before he brought it to me because that looked pretty fresh. And it damn hood wouldn't shut. One good thing, the windshield's not broke. One bad thing is all these seals, the weather stripping rubbers are pretty bad, but they do sell those new. And I don't know if I can find any of those at the junkyard, being as there's not that many S10s in the junkyard anymore. Looked in the back. There is a rubber mat in there. I believe I have a bed liner for it. It looks like a Ford Ranger wheel. That's part of that cheapy running board that was on it. Guess it does have a rear sliding glass in the topper and the pickup. If that's much of a plus or not. Yeah, what that said. Virginia something Sheriff's Association member. Alright. Well, that needs to be fixed. Not that I'm going to pull a trailer with it, but you never know. Yeah, there's that running board. Cheesy plastic garbage is going to go. Here you can get a better look at the bumper. You find the front bumper for it. Looking at it, I think the grill's okay. It did kind of get close to it there, but I don't think it broke it. Have a look-see inside. Interior's not too bad, but it needs a little TLC. Thing I noticed, they ram screws in the armrests, big old washers. Might be able to find some better door panels. See, the dash is cracked, but that's just normal if it sits outside. Like I say, at least the windshield's not cracked. It looks good. Manual windows. No power windows or power locks, I guess I should say, but it does show 12381. No tilt. I might have to put a tilt wheel in it. I can't barely get my legs underneath there. That door panel's cracked. At least the headliner's up in it. Did come with some extra parts. I don't know why it came with a new oil pump, but I guess he thought it was a little on oil pressure. I don't know. One thing he did say, which I didn't know what to think of. Looks like it might be new down in there. Anyways. See the glove box deal. Which is normal, it's broke, but that ain't such a big deal. I could probably find one of them at the junkyard. Looks fairly clean back in here. Got your little buddy seats back in there, which is basically just for little kids. Like I say, the headliner's up in it, which is a plus. And that's about it in here. You can look under the hood. Being it's a 91, it's not in that bad a shape. This little 1800s technology prop rod. Hold up the hood. 4.3 automatic. Like I say, the only thing I didn't know what to think of is he said he had the cylinder heads off of it and power washed the engine out. I'm like, what the hell is he doing that for? But I did look in the radiator. She's got that nasty, what do you want to call it? Dirty mud, probably from Dex Cool being in it, I'm guessing. Although this is old enough, it probably shouldn't have Dex Cool in it. Some nice remnants under here that need to be washed out. It needs a little TLC. And it doesn't need the spark plug wires sitting on an exhaust manifold down in there either. More crap on the engine there. I don't know if there's a surprise in here, but there's some surprise on the lid. Stuff you don't really want to be fingering too bad. At least wash your hands afterwards. Yeah, don't look too bad in there. Seen worse. Guess I better point the camera at it so you can see it. What else? Guess that's about it till I really check her out. Might need a new radiator in it. Being it's that nasty, but I think I might have another one. Just have to give her the once over, I guess. Get off the ramp truck here. Not falling on my butt. I have some 15s I'm going to stick on instead of the 14s. Like I say, all those tires are pretty much shot. Other than that, looks pretty decent to me. I don't know if I got screwed on it or he got screwed on it, but I got it for about half the asking price he had on it. Which I don't think it ever would have brought the full price he's wanting on it. Anyways, it's the new S10.